Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing what you need. Your Try My UI email, password, and any two-factor device. Start now by opening Chrome or Firefox and navigating to the Try My UI sign-in page. This reduces redirection delays. Once there, enter your email exactly as registered and paste your password to avoid typing errors, then pause and look for a mandatory CAPTCHA or checkbox. These early steps prevent the most common login failures because many problems come from simple typos or outdated browser sessions. After submitting credentials, watch the page flow. If Try My UI asks for account type, choose the one that matches your role. This routes you correctly. Then solve any CAPTCHA and click Sign In. If you see inline errors, read them and correct email/password accordingly. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, open your Authenticator app or check SMS and enter the code promptly, because codes expire quickly. Make sure to keep the browser tab active. Background tabs can interrupt time-sensitive codes. Once authenticated, you should land on your Try My UI dashboard or the tests list. Check your profile icon to confirm the correct account. If redirected to an error or locked out, use the Forgot Password flow, then verify your email and complete the reset. This restores access quickly. If problems persist, clear cookies or open an incognito window to rule out extension conflicts, and, if needed, capture a screenshot and contact Try My UI support with the exact error message for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.